You know, one of the things, Justin, when I talk to people about this technique, a lot of people are always asking, how much line should I put out to do this? And the answer to that is, you really cannot put too much line out. A lot of times I'll make a long cast and I'll add some to that. There's a bite right there. And, oh, I just missed him. But anyways, what I'm saying is that the whole idea is you want that jig to be on the bottom, skipping along. So a lot of times, the more line that you let out, actually the more subtle that jig will be slipping across the bottom. So sometimes letting it out to where it should be and then adding line will get you even more bites. But in general, as long as that jig is making contact, you're fishing it the right way.
I agree, especially if you're a beginner with this tactic and on a windier day like today.
Yeah.
I mean, you're a pretty experienced guy at boat control, so you're able to slip us with the current at the right speed. So if you're a beginner, sometimes a little more line will make up for inability on boat control too.
Exactly, yep. More is better.